Hey, Jeannie Lynch coming to you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Really excited to share a beautiful story. One of those stories that you hear that impacts and changes your life, and you just want to tell it over and over again because it really is amazing. And it's about you. So are you ready for your own story? Here we go. Here's my question for the day. Do you truly know? Can you pause for a second and understand just absolutely how brilliant and how magnificent you are? Do you understand that? Do you absolutely realize that you make a significant impact into the world and that you make a difference? It doesn't matter whether you're talking to a stranger or you're with your best friend or even all balled up in the corner with the person you're in love with. You matter. Everyone's life matters. Well, today I'm going to share a little story that I heard years ago in a training with a whole bunch of people in the room. And I'm assuming everybody heard it, but I'm not sure everybody really felt the impact. So I have to share it with you today. Here we go. There was a gentleman who got up just like any other day, except for this day, he had been suffering a long time with a lot of issues in his life. And this was the day that he made the decision that he just didn't want to be here anymore. So he set out in the busy streets of New York City, and he was contemplating not just, how, but, the impact that this loss was going to have on his family and so on. So he was looking down at his cell phone, and he was, uncovering some other things about what he needed to know. How is he going to kill himself? This big decision today. He definitely crossed that line. Well, as he was at a busy intersection in the middle of New York City, this little tiny Volkswagen Beetle Bug car pulled up right next to him. So he glanced over, and he just happened to catch this eye of the woman behind the driver's seat. She put her little nose up to the window, gave him a big smile, said hello quite innocently, and before you know it, the light turned green and he was on his way. Well, just in that moment, he felt such joy. He felt such peace. And yes, you guessed it, he made a decision that day not to take his life, and he walked on. I say this beautiful little story. The actual gentleman who shared that story was the person who I'm talking about. So it really is a great story about how just the simplest of acts can truly impact our day. We don't even know. We just get out there and, say hi to strangers and get the door for people, and that's great. Or maybe you're somebody who has a daily practice of assisting people because you're a caregiver. It doesn't matter what side of this coin you're on. We all matter. We all make an impact. So I wanted to share that story with you today and also give you a little charge. Are you ready for it? My hope for you today is that you get out there. I want you to say hi to 5 strangers. You go, oh, Jean, that's easy. I'm talking about a real eye-to-eye contact. Pause for a second. Stop and say hello. Ask a deeper question. 5 people that when you climb into bed tonight and you close your eyes, you can pull or call those 5 faces to mind. And I hope they're strangers because who knows, right? You just might save a life. This is Jeannie Lynch. Hopefully you enjoyed my quick story. Life is amazing, and so are you. See you next video. Bye now.